Hi, I want to share with you one of my favorite meditations. This one is a kind of a take off the healing code, and it's a really powerful one that I really connect to, and I feel when I do this one actual regeneration, rejuvenation, inspiration, big drop in my stress levels, calmness come on to me way more than many other variations of meditations that I've done. So to do it, you will focus on 4 points in the body. This point right between the eyebrows, forehead, point kind of up into your throat, a point on the where the jaws connect, at the edges of your jaws, and your temples. And you're going to just point your fingers and imagine that you're shining light, little flashlights. I'm pointing these fingers at these points. If you want to touch them at first just to kind of connect to them, that's fine, but then gap it a little bit. Have a little space there. And as you hold your fingers in these locations, we're going to hold each one for about 30 seconds. And I'm going to set a timer in a minute and have a little chime go, so it'll be a little bit easier to navigate. But just get a sense of what does it feel like in each of these points. Do I feel any shift? Some people feel like heat, warmth, vibration. And I'm going to tell you, like, when I do this, it doesn't happen the same every time for me. So try not to let attachment to the outcome persuade you one way or another from doing this. Just try it, notice how it makes you feel, and if it makes you feel good, keep doing it. Now, one last thing, as we hold these different points, I really want you to focus on holding in your heart a deep sense of love and gratitude. It doesn't have to be a combination. If you can really connect to love, connect to love. If you have a hard time connecting to love, connect to gratitude, vice versa, make that kind of an anchor point. The moment you notice your mind drifting off and you're not focusing on that anymore, just come back to it. So let's begin at the third eye. You can relax the body. You're hovering your fingers over this space. You're connecting to your heart. You're feeling love or gratitude, or love and gratitude. Notice if there's any tension you can release. Keep your breathing relaxed and calm. And if your arms get tired, you can always do this lying down as well. Now switch to the throat. You can rest your forearms on your chest and just point your fingers up towards your throat. As your fingers are aiming up towards your throat, you're just envisioning little flashlights here, right? You're sending in love, you're healing, you're recharging. You can scan the body, look for any tension that you can soften. Come out to the point your jaws connect, close to the ears. A lot of times when you find the right spot, it'll just feel like it kind of sucks into place. Like the hands might vibrate a little bit, or you'll feel a little something. Experiment with it. Keep connecting to love. Keep connecting to gratitude. Keep the face relaxed as well as the rest of the body. Temples. Hold that space. Your fingers are forming little flashlights, and you're just shining in light. You're recharging these power centers in the body. Notice where you feel like there may be a little tension you're holding. If you can find it, you can let it go. Keep the breathing relaxed and calm. Back to the space between the brows. Love and gratitude fill your heart. Feel your mind. Feel every cell in your body. Back to the throat, shining up into the throat. This is one of the easier ones because your arms can rest on your chest. Keep the breathing smooth, the belly relaxed, the heart full of thankfulness, of love. Up to the jaw. Sometimes I'll automatically relax my jaw when my hands come out here. Scan the mind. See if I'm connecting to gratitude, to love. Temples. I'm gonna feel that deep. Little flashlights charging up. Little flashlights shining in. Healing light. Cleansing light. Back to the forehead. Third eye. Final round. Stay relaxed. Stay connected. Can you amplify your feelings of love and gratitude? Can you feel them deeper? And back to the throat. Love and gratitude. Stay relaxed. Stay calm and at ease. Check your breathing, smooth it out. Jaw. Amplifying these feelings of love and gratitude. Also amplifying the feelings of relaxation, contentment, deep healing. And bring the hands to the space where temples are located. And check the face. If there's any tension there, let it go. Check the body. Just gently scan the whole system. Come back to the heart. Fill it with love, gratitude. And bring your hands onto your heart. If you're cultivating the male energy with the right hand over the left, kind of cultivates that, amplifies that. Female energy left over right. And just kind of hold that space. Feel how you feel. And without judgment, without overthinking it, without trying to figure it out, just experience it. You can sit here for a few more minutes if you like. You can hit pause and come out when you're ready. If you're lying down, it's nice to take a little extra time. Otherwise, just take a full breath in. You can release your hands down next to you and then easy sigh out. Be well.